Hello and welcome to day 9 of 12 days of homemade Christmas. Today we are making little crayons. So I have these little paw print molds and bunny molds. And the first thing you want to do is peel and break the crayons into the piece about the size of half your finger, maybe smaller. It's easier to peel the wrapper off if you put them in warm soapy water and let them soak for a little bit. Super easy that way. So we've peeled all the crayons. So when you put them in these molds, you don't want to overfill them like that. But you do want to let them kind of go over the edge a little because then when they melt, it'll be able to seep into the cracks. So what I'm gonna do is color based, so I can do like pinks and blues or greens and grays or something like that. So let's fill these. I think for my first one, I'm gonna make some purples and pinks and blue. And I think that should be a bunny. And now if you need to, you can snap them smaller to fit in the mold if you really like that color mix. And another thing you can do is before you put them in, which I forgot to do, is sprinkle some glitter. I want some glitter in this one, and then fit these back in the places I had them. Okay, so I finished these. And I'm gonna put them in for 8 to 10 minutes because they're smaller, but really you want to take them out right when you see the wax is melted and fully in the mold. We're putting them at 250 Fahrenheit, and I'm setting them on this tray so I can pull them out at the same time. And I'll see you when they're done. Okay, so we just got these out of the oven. Be very careful of the hot wax and be careful because they might slosh around into each other if they're full. We're gonna let these set out and harden. And when they are, we'll see you back here. Okay, so these just got out from cooling. We're just gonna pop them out. They're so pretty. So one thing to know is you don't want to wash your wax down the drain. You want to scrape it up in the trash can. Ooh. Oh, this is like the perfect camo. Now let's pop the bunnies out. Oh, this is so pretty. Look at that. And this one. Oh, this is so pretty. This might be my favorite. I don't know. I like them all. Oh, these are so pretty. And they're so cute. Perfect little gift. Okay, so we have them all out. Look at these. They're so cute. I can't wait to see what my cousin thinks of these. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe for more fun. We'll see you next time. Bye.